So I just want to take a minute to show you guys the circle cutting jig for the bandsaw here at shop. Fairly simple design. So just a couple clamps here that hold it to the table. A set screw mounted with a nut on the inside that allows us to slide the centerpiece in and out. The centerpiece is cut with a slight dovetail to keep it trapped in there. On one end we've got a simple screw from the back that's been ground down to about an 1/8 inch above the surface. And back here on the other end we can flip it around and use this 1/4 inch pin for larger pieces. So it's simply clamped to the table. Tighten that back up for you. And then we set the radius of our circle as the distance from the pin to our blade. And the other really critical thing is to make sure that this pin is lined up right with the front of the blade. Otherwise your blade's going to end up walking either away or towards you, and you'll stress the blade and end up breaking one. So that's really critical when you mount this whole board to the table. We'll go ahead and cut one for you so you can see how it works. Before I cut one, I'm going to line up our piece right up against the blade, and then we're going to seat it on that screw, and that's our pivot. And once that's all set, then we can turn the saw back on. With the blade stopped, we can remove our material, our waste. Here's the waste piece, and there's our circle.